Hello everyone, I am Daksh. Today we are just going to focus upon tuples exercise and tuples revision. Before that, I shall tell you that we have made a group on Discord because most of you are not comfortable on WhatsApp. So we made on Discord. Discord is very easy to use. Just you have to download it and just click the link in the description box. You will be entering in a Discord group, and there we will be giving you some free tips, and you can always have some meeting in there with us if you have some doubts, etc. Or you can give us any ideas about new invention you have, etc. We are always there for you. Now let's focus upon tuples revision. You are seeing that I have just used this tuple comparing etc. thing. Now it of course shows false because this is not equal to that. Then we shall see what will be the outcome here. It's of course true because this is greater than this. And let's see. Of course, it will be again true. Oh, it's false. Maybe. Oh, yes, sorry. It was my fault. It shows that this is greater than that. So it is of course false because this is smaller than that. Now let's give you an example of inputs. Have you ever thought that what would you do if you have a list of 100 variables and you want to get 100, just 100 of inputs? Do you have ever thought about it? Let's just solve this problem. Take it A, B, and C. Now you just have to write input and enter whatever like number, enter number or name. You can always write names as well. Dot split, dot split. Dot split is very important. Now you are going to have a trace back. Then after that, just write print A and in another line print A. Because you all know that spread just makes a list kind of thing, so you're gonna get list if you write in one line itself. So now print, sorry for that, print C. Now let's just see the demonstration. Enter name Daksh, Hardik, and of course Muskan is our last member. Hardik, Daksh, Hardik, and Muskan have been printed. So let's see the last exercise of this video. Of course, it's the last exercise. Now, in this, I have made a new file. This is this. I have just written, "Hi everyone, good to see you." Just to make you understand what tuples can do. Then I have made a dictionary, and all this have been taken up till here in the dictionaries part. You may see in dictionary if you don't. Recognize this code, and then I have just then taken the tu as the variable, then list counting items. If I just remove this list, let's see what will happen. I think so it shall work. uh, it should of course work. Tuple, you can see it's work, but it writes dictionary items etc. So it's good to make a list, yeah. And at last here, now we can just run it, stop and rerun. You can see I 5, everyone 5 times, good 5 times etc. All are 5 times, and right is of course 4 times, and nice is 1 time. So I hope you like this video. If you wanna if you just like this video, I'm not focusing on that you like this video or not. But if you like this video, just click a like button so that we are also motivated that you are liking our video, and you want us to make more and more videos. So till then, Pythonese, and do like, share, and subscribe to our video. Bye.